Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what class you should take in 99 Nights in the Forest if you're a beginner slash intermediate player on this game. So for me right now, currently it is the alien class. So here you're just going to view class shop and you're going to take the alien one. If it is not in stock, you are just going to select reroll. The first one is free, so you don't have to use Robux to reroll. And then hopefully, if you're lucky, you'll get the alien roll for. If you're lucky, the alien roll will be in stock. That's what I meant. It is 100 diamonds to get, but it's actually pretty easy to get diamonds. You will just need to play with someone who is experienced with that. Why is there a candy there? Am I? Oh, yes, I can take that. But yeah, so just take the alien roll. The reason why is you'll get a ray gun and basically it won't ever run out of ammo. Yes, it's going to run out of battery, but it's just going to recharge on its own and you don't have to find ammo for that weapon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just take the alien one. For me, that is the easiest. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Once you have enough, you can upgrade to Cyborg. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.